Hi guys, so today I want to give you a thorough explanation and overview of credit cards. I know you have heard about credit cards or you may be planning to take one. This video will give you the overview of the core things you should know about credit cards. To easily explain credit card, I will say that a credit card is similar to your usual debit bank card, but with some differences. What then is a credit card? To simply put it, a credit card is a type of loan. When you get a credit card, it means you are getting a loan from a bank, a building society, or a financial institution that want to lend you money, and that money they're lending to you is called credit. So we all know the principles of lending and borrowing money. When someone lend you money, they expect that you pay them an interest. So the same thing works for credit card. If a bank gives you their credit card, they're giving you a loan and they expect an interest. As I take you through this video, you will see the advantages and disadvantages of having a credit card. And also you will see how you can navigate the whole process of paying back the interest. There's no law that you must pay back the interest if you are not owing the interest. Kindly smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button so that YouTube will promote this video to give other people a fair chance to watch this video. I have explained to you now that a credit card is a type of loan, and as in the nature of loan, they come with interest, or what they call interest rate, which is the rate of interest. If you borrow $100, the person that give you the money can be like, you will pay me an interest of $10. An interest of $10 is a 10% interest rate. So it's similar to what happens for credit cards. When you borrow money or when you ask someone to give you money, there's always like, how much do you want? So the same thing applies for a credit card. So the maximum amount of money that they want to give you is called credit limit. And just like a bank, the whole thing is organized in a credit account. The way you have a bank account, if you have a credit card, you have now a credit account. It's the account where you perform the transaction, where your transaction is shown, the amount of money they're giving you, and the amount of money you've spent out of what I've given you. If even you have overspent more than what I've given you, you will see everything there. It's an account that records the whole transaction. Your credit limit, your interest rate, your minimum amount to pay for the month, the amount you are owing, and the date you should pay back. So it's an account that contains your relationship with your lender, which can be a bank, a building society, or a financial lender. The question is, how do credit cards work? How do they work? Your credit card is simple. It's similar to your usual bank card. What do you normally use your bank card to do? You use it to pay for something online or offline. So when you want to buy something, you use your card to pay for it. The same thing happens for credit card. You mainly use it to pay for purchases. This is the difference now between your credit card and your debit card. For your debit card, you have to put in money in your bank account and you are spending out of your own money. But for your credit card, you don't have to put in money that you spend. It comes with its own money. That's the loan that I've been talking about. If they give you a credit card, it always comes with an amount of money there that you can spend. It's prepaid. There's money already inside it. Instead of spending now your own money for the purchase, you are spending now from the money in the card that I've given to you. There are different types of credit cards. So there are different types of interest that's attached to it. There are some credit cards that comes with a 0% interest rate for the first 6 months or 1 year that you use it. There are some credit cards that come with 0% purchase rate, which means you are paying nothing when you purchase an item. Also, if you have a credit card and you are owing money, you can choose to transfer to a different credit card, and the new company you are transferring to or the new card you are transferring to will help you to pay off the old card. Now that's what they call balance transfer. So there's some credit card that come with 0% balance transfer, which means they will help you to pay back your old loan at 0% interest rate. There's also a 0% money transfer credit card, which means if you transfer money from the credit card to your account or to somebody, you don't pay an interest rate. In the same vein, there are some credit cards that if you purchase an item, you may have to pay, or if you do a balance transfer or money transfer, you may have to pay. It depends on the type of credit card that you choose to have. Equally, we have rewards card. Now, rewards credit card are the ones that give you like a reward when you spend using the card. Now, rewards can vary. It can be points, vouchers, or air miles. So when you use their card to purchase an item, they give you a reward. Also, there are cards that are cash back. So when you spend an amount of money, they'll give you a cash back on it, maybe 10%, 20%, 5% cash back of whatever you spend on the card. There are also travel cards that people use when they travel overseas. There are several kinds of cards, so it depends on the one that you want or the one that your financial institution is offering. Somebody would like to ask, okay, what then are the advantages and disadvantages of having a credit card? What do I gain if I have this card? The pros of having a credit card are easy to carry, easy to use. It's like a normal debit card. It's just a card that you can use to buy something. Also, it's safer than your cash in the sense that if the card is stolen, you can easily call your bank to cancel it. And also, if fraudulent people takes your money, you can call the bank and report the case and they give you back your money. So it's safer than just having your cash at hand. And if you don't have money instantly, you can use the credit card to buy something. You can use the card to buy something and pay back later. Also, you are protected when you use a credit card in the sense that for most purchases that you do that's below £30,000 or about $40,000, you are covered if the transaction did not go through or if things do not work as planned. So your credit card company will help you handle the headache, the issues that come with failed transaction, or if you book a flight and the company goes bankrupt, they will help you to cover the cost. And finally, of course, there are some advantages that you get like cashback, reward, vouchers when you use credit cards. Now that we know the importance of using a credit card, what are the disadvantages of having this card? There's high interest payment rate. For most credit cards, the interest rate is very high, like 20%, 35%, 18%. Imagine someone is giving you £1,000 and the interest rate is 20%. So which means you are paying back an interest rate of £200 for just borrowing £1,000. So the interest rate for most credit cards are very high. Secondly, if you do not pay back the amount you've spent on time, the interest will start compiling, it will start building up and making it more difficult for you to pay back. Now you understand that that's how the credit company actually make money. They make money from people that default. So if you do not pay back on time, they will charge you an interest. So that's how the credit company makes their own money. And also, even though that you are paying an interest if you default, it can also come with additional fees like purchase fee, balance transfer fee, and several other fees that comes with having a credit card. Some credit card can be expensive to use abroad. So if you are traveling out of the country and you want to use the credit card, be sure that you are using an overseas credit card, or else the interest rate will be so much for you. Finally, unlike your normal debit card that you withdraw from your ATM machine for free or for 0.01% fee, credit card usually come with a fee when you take money from an ATM machine, and that fee is called a cash transaction fee. So anything that has to do with holding money at hand, it will cost you a higher fee when you use a credit card. Best advice is when you are using a credit card, do not take money from an ATM machine, or else you'll be paying a lot of money as fee. Also, If you do not pay back the money that you've used on time, they will charge you for late payment fee. Let's assume that you spend from that card, they give you like a credit limit of £500 and you spend £300 and you are supposed to pay back on or before 25th of that month, and you do not pay back on that date, they will start charging you an interest. And even though you pay back the money, you have to pay more because they will charge you for late payment fee. Also, if you overspend more than the limit that you are given to, they will charge you an over limit fee. If there's so much fee involved, so why do people still get this credit card? A good number of people get this credit card because they want to build their credit score. Your credit score is a number assigned to you by a credit reference agency in order to let the lender know what type of borrower you are. If you want to get a loan from a bank to buy a house, to buy a car, to buy a phone, the bank will always check out for your credit score. Credit score is simply how easy will you pay back the loan. The credit score is used to measure how easy it will be for you to pay back a loan. And there are 3 credit agencies in the US or in the UK: Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. So that the major 3 companies that offer credit score, and you can check your credit score for free by using the link that's attached in the description box of this video. Know your credit score for free. Finally, how do you apply for a credit card? You can apply for a credit card either by going to your bank or a financial lender, or by using a comparison website. They will check your credit score and decide if they will give you a credit card or not, or the type of credit card that they should give to you. You also can also tell them the type of credit card that you want, so that you can start building your credit score, which will help you if you want to buy an expensive item like a car, a house. You can easily get a loan from the bank. So most people use it to build their credit score, so that when they need a bigger loan, they can easily obtain it from the bank, because the bank will try to trace your credit score and see how you have performed in the past with small amount of money that you are giving in your credit card, so that now that it's a big amount of money that you need, they know that can trust you to pay back the money. So if you want to know more about credit card and credit score, I will put some link in the description box of this video that you can go and check out to find out more. But I hope I was able to give you a comprehensive overview of credit card and credit score. So thank you for watching this video. Kindly smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, smash the share button, so that YouTube will promote this video to give other people a fair chance to watch this video. Thank you for liking this video. Bye.